Hi, my name is Gene, and I'm in the HVAC program, and we're going to unbox our equipment today. Here we have the hard hat for protection. We have our hacksaw, cordless one-handed receipt saw, compact brushless, flaring and swagging tool. We have the 608 clamp meter for HVAC. Here we have the maximum lever, easy cutters. Another one, better access. 7-in-1. Wow. Our gloves, Milwaukee. We have our temperature pipe clamp. Hex jaw. 13-in-1. Cushion grip screwdriver with scared a bit. What else? Very important, measuring tape, 25 feet. Here we have our non-contact voltage detector with the laser. Important, high impact, fog free, very important. PPE. Here we go, the manifold. I love it, looks gorgeous. Retractable blade. And our pipe cutter, the copper. Last but not least, the leveler. And boom. HVAC equipment ready to work.